there, Raquel, and I'm here with another lit video. I'm sorry if this angle is horrible, but I totally forgot to do an intro to this video, so that's why I'm doing it right now. Before I get into this video, I want you guys to smash the subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment below on any comments, questions, or concerns you guys. You don't know, I've been out of commission for a little bit, but I've been trying my best to give you guys some videos. Vlogmas was a whole... simply because, well, the weather hit me around that time. So, but I'm back. It's January, what is today? The 8th, 2022. So this is the first week of the new year. I am uploading 2 new videos this week. So stay tuned for that, guys. Let's get right into it. This right here is my quick, easy beef stew recipe. I did a video before with different angles in my old apartment, but this is a quick meal that I came up with last night. Ate this for dinner yesterday, so you're watching this a day late, a day late. So you're watching this video a day late, but you know what, guys? You can make this anytime, and I find this recipe to be like one of the best recipes that you can make aside of my chili recipe. For the winter time, it's great for colds, and yeah, let's get right into it, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Peace. Make sure you spread love too. Alright, guys, so right over here I have carrots chopped up, celery chopped up, yellow onion chopped up, and green peppers chopped up for the beef stew, so stay tuned. Basically have it boiling in vinegar water with a splash of lime juice. Tenderizing the meat. I even cut the meat up because I'm hungry like today. It's pretty late in the evening, but I cut the meat up into smaller dices. But a little bit bigger than what I chopped up, like how I chopped up the vegetables. So you don't want the meat smaller than your vegetables. You want to be able to see me. So in here I have the beef boiling to get tender. So yeah, stay tuned, guys. For when I then drain this water, put fresh water, add the vegetables, seasonings, you know. Stay tuned, guys. Much love. Alrighty, y'all, so my camera has died and I forgot to add or capture the wet ingredients. So besides these dry ingredients of adobo, light sea salt, light crushed pepper, sazon, garlic powder, onion powder, you're also going to want to add dry cilantro, 1 bay leaf, minced garlic, some of your abuelitas, delicious green sofrito, and very little of the red sofrito as well. And also you're going to want to add in peeled potato. Forgot to do that with the vegetables, but it's never too late. Give it a nice stir. Look how hearty it looks. You got your potatoes, your carrots, your celery, your onion, your peppers. Y'all can smell what's cooking. But you will. If you're following along with this recipe, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So give it a nice stir, guys. Cover it. You know, and let it come to a nice simmer until everything is tender. The vegetables are tender and the meat is tender, and you can enjoy this lovely beef stew over white rice. If you haven't done so now, make sure you subscribe, give this a big thumbs up, comment below, and if you've made this recipe before, let me know if you have done anything differently. Ooh, wee, look at that. Oh man, this is a simmer that you're looking for, and you're gonna want to let that cover for like another 20 to 30 minutes. That's just me because I have it at a slow simmer, just so everything can cook nice and smooth. Wepa! Yummity yum yum yum! So everything is done. You can tell the carrots are nice and tender. Potatoes are nice and tender. It took color of the sazon. Let's dive on into this.